If you've ever wondered what sets Jira software and Confluence apart, and more importantly, how to harness their full power together for better collaboration and project management, this video is for you. By the end, you'll clearly understand how each tool works, their unique strengths, and how integrating them creates a seamless workflow for any tech-savvy team. Let's dive in by clarifying what these platforms are and what makes them so indispensable. Confluence and Jira are Atlassian's flagship products. Picture Confluence as your centralized knowledge hub, a sort of digital library and workspace, while Jira is your robust project command center, tracking every task, bug, and deliverable. Using these tools together means you're never scrambling for information or picking up tasks without context. Everything's visible and connected. Why combine them? Well, when you integrate Confluence and Jira, your documentation and development tasks link up in real time. Imagine linking a product requirements page in Confluence directly to related Jira tickets. This ensures your engineers, designers, and product managers are always on the same page, literally, tracking progress and requirements at a glance. It's like having your plans and your to-dos working hand in hand. Let's take a closer look at Confluence itself. Think of Confluence as a powerful, wiki-style platform designed for collaborative content creation. Teams use it for everything from meeting notes and project plans to full-blown knowledge bases. You can create editable pages with rich text, embed images and videos, and apply dynamic macros for real-time data. Spaces act as dedicated digital workspaces. Perhaps you have one for your marketing team, another for engineering, each organized around projects or topics for easy navigation. If you're worried about ever losing track of crucial documentation, Confluence's advanced search filters, labels, and contributor names make retrieving content quick and painless. And because collaboration is built in, everyone can edit pages together, leave inline comments, and track revision history, so nothing gets lost or overwritten by accident. Moving on to Jira, this tool is a powerhouse for issue and project management, especially if you're working in software development or IT. Jira's bread and butter is its agile boards. Picture digital versions of sticky notes on a physical Kanban board, where you drag and drop issues from to-do to done. You can plan sprints, groom your backlog, and track releases all from within Jira. Each task, bug, or story is configurable with its own workflow, so you can match the way your team works. Maybe you need extra review steps for critical issues or want to automate status changes. Jira Query Language, or JQL, lets you create ultra-targeted filters, say, viewing all high-priority bugs assigned to one person. Dashboards keep everyone in the loop, with visual charts like burndown and velocity graphs to monitor team progress. Both tools shine in different ways. Confluence is ideal for documentation and knowledge sharing. Its key features include structured spaces and pages for organizing content logically, customizable templates, and blueprints for standardized docs, dynamic macros to embed up-to-date Jira lists and charts, and real-time collaboration to boost productivity. Jira, meanwhile, excels at tracking tasks and progress, with agile boards, custom workflows, advanced queries, and automation. Are there any trade-offs? Absolutely. Confluence offers amazing scalability and integration options, from Trello boards and Slack notifications to inline Google Drive content, but it can feel a bit overwhelming at first, especially with all the advanced macros. Large pages may slow down performance, and managing permissions takes care. With Jira, you'll find the customization and reporting to be very powerful, but complex setups can have a learning curve. Try integrating Confluence with Trello to visualize boards in your documentation, or use Slack to get instant page update alerts. Embed Google Docs or link Bitbucket repositories for instant code context. These integrations save time by reducing context switches and keep teams engaged. And that's a practical overview of how Jira and Confluence differ, and why they're even more powerful together. If this helped you understand these tools better, please hit that like button. Leave a comment with your questions or experiences, and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials. Thanks for watching.